In previous lesson, we learned how to create a simple headshot. In this lesson, we learned to how to use professional headshot. It tells me upload a clear photo of your face, and then the PromeAI give you a high quality professional headshot with one click. For example, this person, you can see if you make it side by side, this is a simple headshot of face. It's a face of the person, and then it PromeAI gives you a professional output. For doing that, I begin with this girl, just the face of that, and after that you can just tell please wear a hat. We don't need scene. You can add a scene. It means it's in a private jet or other thing. It's a scene. Composition means which part of your body do you want to appear. For example, whole body. The fast mode is on. This is my prompt, and just with one click, it turned this face to a full body AI output. We are different things. You can tell we are a hat, we are a red overcoat, anything that you want, you can prompt there. Oh, in this case, it does not wear a hat. Make it 3. But it's interesting. You can see we convert this to this. Yeah, let's wear a hat. Let's enhance it to hat. Let's see what happened. A woman with a ribbon hair, and no, just a simple wear a red hat. Okay. Some cases it's work, in some cases it's not. I think I have to change the composition to closer look, because it's trying to make full body. I don't want to. Why just creating a sexy mode? Because this is all about the composition. Make it like this. You can see it does not create other place of body or something like that. Do number 1 is good. Create again. Let's waiting. Now, yes, it's all, you have to play with composition, which part of the image. You can see it create a red hat for it. Nice. Or you can add another prompt there. Let's choose professional headshot. Let's choose it has not lots of things. So that's it. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.